Mars, our neighboring planet, has always intrigued scientists with its barren landscapes and red dust storms. But what if Mars isn't as dry as we once thought? Recently, NASA made a groundbreaking discovery that could change everything we know about the red planet. Hidden beneath its icy surface, scientists have found underground lakes. What could these lakes mean for the future of space exploration? Could they be the key to finding life beyond Earth? Stay tuned as we dive into the depths of Mars' hidden secrets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible space revelations. For years, NASA has been relentless in its quest to unlock the mysteries of Mars, a planet that has captivated the human imagination like no other. From ancient riverbeds etched into the Martian surface to towering ice caps at its poles, each mission has brought us one step closer to understanding the red planet. But what if I told you that the most significant discovery yet was lying hidden beneath Mars' icy crust? Recent findings suggest that there are lakes of liquid water deep beneath the surface, a revelation that has left scientists both thrilled and puzzled. Imagine the implications. Mars lakes, right there under our noses, potentially holding secrets from a bygone era. Could these be remnants of a time when Mars was more Earth-like? Or is there something else entirely at play? The discovery itself is nothing short of groundbreaking. Using advanced radar technology, scientists have been able to peer through Mars' thick layers of ice, revealing these mysterious bodies of water. The radar signals, bouncing back from below the surface, indicate the presence of liquid water, hidden lakes that have been shielded from the harsh Martian environment for possibly millions of years. This discovery wasn't just an accidental stumble. It was the result of years of meticulous planning and the latest in space exploration technology. But this raises even more questions. What is the nature of this underground water? And more intriguingly, could life have once thrived or still be thriving in these hidden reservoirs? As we delve deeper into this discovery, the possibilities become even more tantalizing. Mars, a planet we once considered barren and desolate, might have been home to vast networks of underground lakes. These lakes could have been teeming with life, offering a glimpse into a Martian past that was far more dynamic than we ever imagined. Picture this. NASA's latest radar images revealing these underground lakes have reignited the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Could these Martian lakes be the key to understanding our own origins, or are they simply lifeless bodies of water that have managed to persist in the most extreme conditions? The mystery deepens as we transition into understanding the science behind these hidden lakes. Mars, as we know it, is a harsh and unforgiving world, where temperatures can plunge to unimaginable lows, and the atmosphere is far too thin to support liquid water on the surface. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, NASA's discovery of underground water on Mars has challenged our understanding of what's possible on the red planet. These hidden lakes, buried beneath layers of ice, defy the odds by existing in a liquid state. But how is this even possible? The answer lies in a combination of factors, including the presence of salts like perchlorates, which can lower the freezing point of water, and the insulation provided by the thick Martian ice caps. It's a delicate balance, one that has allowed these lakes to remain liquid in a world where everything else has frozen solid. The technology that led to this discovery is just as fascinating as the lakes themselves. NASA's radar instruments, particularly the ones on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, have been crucial in peering beneath the Martian surface. These instruments work by sending radar waves deep into the ground and measuring the signals that bounce back. In this case, the signals indicated a reflective layer that could only be explained by the presence of liquid water. This method of radar detection has opened up new possibilities for exploring other planetary bodies as well, where similar hidden reservoirs might exist. It's a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology can push the boundaries of our knowledge, revealing secrets that were once thought to be forever out of reach. Now, let's consider the implications of these underground lakes. Could they harbor life? The conditions are certainly extreme, but here on Earth, we've found life thriving in places once thought impossible. like deep-sea hydrothermal vents and the subglacial lakes of Antarctica. These Martian lakes might be home to similar extremophiles, organisms that can survive in the most hostile environments. If life does exist in these lakes, it would revolutionize our understanding of biology, proving that life can emerge and persist even in the most unlikely places. Alternatively, if these lakes are lifeless, they could still provide invaluable insights into the history of water on Mars and the planet's potential to support life in the past or future. Either way, the discovery has set the stage for a new era of Mars exploration, one that will dig deeper, literally and figuratively, into the mysteries of the red planet. With the discovery of Mars' hidden lakes, the stakes for future exploration have never been higher. NASA, along with other space agencies, is now more determined than ever to unlock the secrets buried beneath the Martian surface. These underground lakes aren't just scientific curiosities. They could be the key to understanding whether Mars ever supported life and whether it could do so again. The next generation of Mars missions will likely focus on these lakes, with sophisticated drills and landers designed to reach these watery depths. Imagine a future rover equipped with the latest technology, capable of boring through miles of ice to sample the water directly, searching for signs of life or chemical traces that could tell us more about Mars' watery past. NASA's Perseverance rover, already on Mars, is a critical part of this exploration strategy. While its primary mission is to collect samples of the Martian soil and search for ancient microbial life, its findings will lay the groundwork for future missions that could target these hidden lakes directly. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's ExoMars mission, which includes a rover named Rosalind Franklin, is set to launch in the coming years with a focus on drilling below the surface to search for signs of life. These missions, along with international collaborations, signify a global effort to uncover the truth about Mars' underground water and what it means for our quest to find extraterrestrial life. As we watch these missions unfold, we can't help but wonder, what will they discover beneath the ice? But the implications of these lakes extend beyond scientific discovery. They could also play a pivotal role in humanity's future on Mars. If we ever hope to establish a permanent presence on the red planet, these underground reservoirs of water could be crucial for sustaining human life. Water, after all, is essential, not just for drinking, but for generating oxygen and producing fuel. These lakes could serve as a resource for future astronauts, reducing the need to transport vast quantities of water from Earth. This brings us to an intriguing question. Could these hidden lakes be the foundation upon which humanity builds its first colony on Mars? As scientists and engineers work to answer this, the prospect of human life thriving on Mars becomes less of a distant dream and more of a tangible reality, one that we may witness in our lifetime. As we've journeyed through the mysteries of Mars' hidden lakes, it's clear that NASA's discoveries are opening up new frontiers in our understanding of the red planet. But what does this mean for us here on Earth? Could these underground lakes be a glimpse into Mars' past, or perhaps a key to our future on the planet? The possibilities are endless, and the implications are profound. If we can find life, or even the conditions for life, on Mars, it could change the way we see our place in the universe. Now, think about this. What would it mean for you if we could truly confirm life beyond Earth? How might that change the way you view our own planet and its future? If you're as excited as we are about these discoveries, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest in space exploration. And don't forget to turn on notifications to stay up to date with all our future content. Speaking of which, if you found this video intriguing, you won't want to miss our previous video, Milky Way's Darkest Secrets. What we don't know. There are still so many mysteries out there waiting to be uncovered. So why not start exploring them with us today?